Hey guys, so this will be the final video for our Wynnum lift and building underneath. So we're handing over today. The project's all wrapped up. We've got a few last minute details to be done, and these happy clients are going to be moving into this beautiful renovation. So come with me, I'll give you a look around. It's been a little bit stressful here the last few days. We had a few trades push out because of the wet weather last week. We like to allow a bit of time at the end of our jobs just to make sure everything's smick. But that time got chewed up with the wet weather and a few other trades getting delayed, so we've been pushing right to the last minute on this one. But you'll see there, so we've finished all the landscaping. This joint's come up really good. We've got so we used big country PVC fencing on this one, so really nice detailed fence. Not 100% convinced about it. It's a little bit wobbly being PVC, but looks absolutely fantastic. No maintenance, 50-year warranty, so we'll see how that goes. Owner's absolutely wrapped with it. So if you come through here, like I said, Alison from Green Boutique has done all the landscape design on this one, so the landscaping's come up smick. We've got our honed concrete entry path. I'll take you around the outside of this one first before we duck inside. Got all the landscaping around the place. This one's got a huge storage area in underneath the front veranda here. Got all the services hidden in there. We didn't touch any of the upstairs on this house, which is a little bit unusual, so we've had to blend the new weatherboards into the old. Upstairs has got all the old metal coverings over the weatherboard, so you'll see there we made up that custom folded metal flashing to break the join. That way in the future, when the client wants to strip all that metal cladding off and renovate upstairs, all we have to do is unscrew that flashing. We can continue new weatherboards straight up. Be a really simple exercise. So it's always thinking ahead. We've got a Hecker hood on there. So right around that corner there and around the back, we've got a Hecker hood on. That's come up really well. The owner got this old hood refurbed, so now it matches. You can see we've got one up there and another one over there. They're all the same. Beautiful big windows. Bradham's did all the external windows and doors on this project. Again, come up really good. Good company to deal with. We got all of our honed concrete around the outside on this one, so it has come up really good. Young Anton from Polished Concrete Floors Australia does all our concrete honing and finishing. Really good young guy, does an absolutely smick job. We got the guys from Barry's Glass and Balustrading here. They've done all of our semi-frameless pool fencing, and there's the pool. So the Pebble guys have just left, so they've come in this morning. They've sprayed it, let it sit for 2 hours, and they've just acid washed and cleaned it. And we've now got the hose in there filling it up, but I can't get in there at the moment, and it hasn't all been cleaned up. But how awesome is the colour of that pebble and the honed concrete edge? So yeah, it's come up really good. So really beautiful new pool area for this little project. Can't wait to see it full of water and all cleaned up. Alison picked some awesome planting over there behind the pool. Once that grows up, this area is going to be absolutely smick out here. So around here, so it looks awesome. The honed concrete floor flowing from inside to outside is really smick. Looks so good. And then this is a little outdoor living area here. Got the Hecker hood along the back door there, and then as discussed in previous videos, we've built this little play area for the kids. So we've used the logs from the old house. So these logs were what the old house was sitting on. We've machined them, cut them down, and built this awesome little play area. So the kids can walk along and step over these steppers. And then you get down to here, we built this play equipment for them. And then we've got all Nomo grass on the ground. So a couple of years time, when that all grows and bunches up, this area is going to be absolutely awesome. I'll quickly take you inside. So a little bit different, awesome yellow door on this one. It's actually been a really good project. The client hasn't been afraid to use a few different colours and finishes around the place, so it's come up really smick. So you walk in here, we got the mudroom area, so we got a nice timber veneer joinery. There's a beautiful cushion going on there. And then we got these hanging hooks on the VJ wall panelling, so the kids can hang all their school bags and stuff up there when they enter the home. Off to the side, we've got a powder room or a downstairs bathroom. So a beautiful little bathroom. Again, all fitted out nice, stone tops, timber vanity. Everyone's done a great job on this one as usual. Beside that we have the laundry. So a few little quirky things in this one. The owner supplied this hanging rack. We got a pulley system over there so they can lower it up and down, put their washing on there and then pull it up to dry, so that's pretty cool. We again, we got all the timber veneer on all the joinery. That's come up really, really good. But how awesome is this splashback? So I mentioned in a previous video, we saved all this pressed metal ceiling off another renovation we did about 18 months, 2 years ago. The owner repaired it all, paint stripped it, tidied it all up, and then we've installed it. So we actually put a 16mm ply substrate onto the walls, glued and screwed all that, so it's nice and solid. And then you can sort of just see where we've fixed it. So we glued and nailed it to that ply backing. But how awesome has that come up? Something different, and yeah, we were able to recycle that. So when you come out here, they've also done the same thing. So in this bar area, same thing. And look how well that works out. So actually worked out perfectly when we did, the boys set it out. So look at this, perfect there. Come down this end, perfect there. So that's come together really, really well. As mentioned in a previous video, got this beautiful slate here. So that has come from the owner's, I think it's I can't remember exactly, his family's home from the early 1900s back in Wales. So I'll get that wrong because I got it wrong last time I spoke about it. But yeah, hopefully Matt might be able to comment on this video and let us all know what it is. But how awesome is this room? Got all the pressed metal splash back there, the nice timber veneer, got the honed concrete floor, and then all that glasswork opening up out onto that beautiful pool area. So that is just absolutely smicko. Come through here, just got a second bedroom. Well, this is actually going to be used as a study area. So beautiful big bedroom, got the nice timber windows on the front of the house. In this room, in the main bedroom, we use these timber windows so it matches upstairs. Got the nice timber fans, so Damien from Active Electricals done a good job on this one. Yeah, all the boys, Dan from Premium Plumbing, Dan and Tom have smashed it out. Aaron and the boys from Wahoo Air Conditioning, APD Tiling, done a fantastic job. Gavin from Proud Painters, him and the boys. Everyone's absolutely killed it. Again, another cracking little job. Got this shelf area behind the toilet, and then something a little bit different. We got this makeup mirror that lights up in this room here. So guys, that's about it. It's been another cracking little project. Really exciting day today to get this one handed over for the clients. They're absolutely over the moon and can't wait to get in here over the weekend. Just got the stairwell there. So this is where we cut the stairwell into the existing house. Got that awesome new light fixture up there. Boys have done a cracking job of blending in all the VJ. So you seriously, in this stairwell, you cannot tell where the old house stops and starts. So awesome. And then we put some stain on the pine stairs to make them blend in to the existing flooring a little bit better. So another cracking DPC job. It's all the finer details. As you've seen in the previous videos, it's all the stuff you don't see that makes all the difference. These clients went through our PAC process, so paid as a consultant. So look, if there's anyone out there that's looking for a quality job, a great builder, a passionate team that goes above and beyond to deliver a perfect product, then get on board with DPS Constructions. Check out, and if you want to know more about our paid as a consultant process, then look, send us an email or give me a call. Happy to run you through it. But look, the pay as a consultant process eliminates all the stress through a build. If you want any recommendations on it, then the clients on this particular project are more than happy to talk to anyone about it. But it just makes sure everyone's on the same page, everyone understands each other's expectations. You can, the builder works through the design stage so that there's no misleading information, the plans match the engineering and vice versa. Myself, the builder, this one's Aaron Wales Building Design, really good designer, we work really well together. It's a team effort, it's a collaboration, and the job just runs so smoothly. Like seriously, there is no issues on our projects. Everything's well organised. All of our jobs have full schedules, so you know exactly what's happening on them every single day of the job. And we have a great team behind me, so supervisor, girls in the office, and our chippies and our carpenters on site. So, and all of our trades and suppliers, like, as you can see, the quality is above and beyond, and we do that on every single job. So guys, if you want a quality job, check us out, DPS Constructions, and we'd be happy to look after you. Cheers.